race fans, here we are, once again, heat one of the day, 25 cars in the first heat. Let's see what happens. Make sure to follow, hit that like, subscribe on YouTube for more longer videos. We've got the 13, the 48, the 33, the 4, the 5, the 36 up front, and we've got the wrench car coming up from the back. And we still got 30 hanging in there. And whoa, who we got coming from the back of the pack? Is that number 17? I can't tell. Is it number 19? Let's see. There's not a whole lot of movement here up in the front. We still got 36.
11 is
5,
sliding. They got
4,
30.
33, and 48.
Oh,
I can't read the number on the
11 is coming back.
Well, it seems.
Oh, the dog is getting involved here.
Make sure to follow, like, subscribe, and share.
The winners are 36 and...
Welcome, race fans. We're back at it again. Second heat of the day. 30 cars in the lineup in the field. Let's get it going. Crank it up. Make sure to follow, like, subscribe on YouTube for longer videos, and please share. Lots of cars moving to the back of the pack already. We have number 50 up front. Oh, wait, it is a battle with number 33 white, 77 gray.
And 4.
And 4 is trying to hang on. And we've got 77 black coming up in the middle here.
19 going
19
backwards.
in reverse. Everybody put your bets. Who do you think's going to win? We're cranking up the speed now. We've got 19 moving to the back of the pack. And we got a winner.
11. Oh, but wait, 33. Nope, 77, 33. Not over yet. Oh, safe to say it's 11 now.
11's the winner. And race fans to heat number 3 of the day. 36 cars in the field. Here we go. Place your bets. Who's going to win? Make sure to follow, like, subscribe on YouTube for more updates and longer videos. And please share. Oh, we got a lot of actions. A lot of cars moving to the back of the field here. So we got number 80. We got number 11. 77, a crowd favorite. And number 50 is trying to make its way to the front. Whoa, orange 10. Just moved all the way up. 77 is out. 10 orange, 80, and 11 are our top 3. But wait! Number 4 just moves in. Our top 4, 80's moving around. Whoa, 80 just got taken out. 11 is coming back, but 80's coming back. We got 10, we got 4. Oh no! And 4! Number 4 is going to take the win for this heat. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Welcome, race fans. We are at heat number 4 of today. Place your bets now in the comments who you think's going to win. Forward, not forward, but make sure to follow, not forward. Follow down below and comment, like, subscribe on YouTube for longer videos. So it looks like we've got number 8 in the front, followed by 19, 37, and 50. But I see the Batmobile trying to come back up, and it's not looking very good for them. But it looks like we got number 8 and 19 trying to hang in there. Oh!
33 and 11.
37's looking pretty good. 8's looking pretty good. The number 11 is looking really good. Number 3 is trying to hang in there. We're running out of time. Oh, keep cranking it up. Crank it up, man.
Hang on.
Everybody comment, crank it up. It's looking like 37. It's going to be, I think we're going to have to do a top 5 here. 50's trying to trail to the back a little bit. We've got 37, 11,
8, 11, and 37 are in the lead.
8. Race fans, heat number 5 of the day. We've got 44 cars in the field. Make sure to hit the like, follow, subscribe on YouTube for more longer videos. More better. Here we go. Not a lot of action going on, but we got some of the cars going to the back of the field. So right now we have the number 8, 11, the blue number 8, 27, 22 trying to hang in there. The number 13 truck, whoa, is getting pulled to the back. 37 still really wants to go. That's not today. So right now we still have 8, 11, blue 8 up at the front here. Not a whole lot is going on. Crank it up, man.
Full speed.
It's looking good.
Whoa.
It's looking good for the top 3, the 2 number 8s and the number 11. Looks like they're going to probably take this race in our top 3.
8, 11, and 8. We have 3 winners. 8, 11, and 8.
Welcome, race fans. We've got heat number 6. 48 cars in the field. Let's see what's going to happen. Crank it up, man. Make sure to hit that follow. Thank you for 100,000 followers in 24 hours. Unbelievable. Subscribe on YouTube as well. We've got the number 4. Oh, too close, too close. We've got the number 8 up front. Number 11.
30 took care of that.
30 took care of number 11. Number 8 really wants it here, but wait, number 19.
Here comes 30.
Number 30's in reverse.
Backwards.
Trying to stay for position. Oh no!
Oh no!
Number
4
8
and
almost
8.
off the track.
Ah, but 8 is off the track. That doesn't count.
No, that's gotta count for something.
But he's off the track. It's holding him up there.
So then 4 is the true winner.
What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Is it 4 or is it 8? Let us know. 4 or 8? Let us know.
Follow down below. Welcome, race fans, to heat number 7 of the day. We've got 50 cars in the field. Let's see who's going to take it. Make sure to follow if you haven't yet. Thank you for 100,000 followers in 24 hours, which is absolutely incredible. Subscribe on YouTube for longer videos, and please share. All right.
A lot of movement.
A lot of movement here. We got the number 3, number 2, 11 once again up front with 36 getting taken out. Number 19 really wants it.
So does 11.
11. It's a battle between 19 and 11.
Here comes 4.
Number 4 out of the back. Now it's number 4 in reverse. And here comes 22 trying to get the victory, but number 11 is sticking in there. Number 4 is back. Number 4 wants it. Number 22 wants it. 11, 22, 11, 22. Who's going to take it? Who's going to take it? It's a number 11.
11 is the winner. Maybe not. Hold on. Whoa.
Number 11.
11. 11.